So in that sense it is useful. But that is not enough. We pray and pray and pray, go back and started violence and bloodsheds and all wicked, immoral things. Because the mind is not trained. Mind is not cultured. Mind is not developed. But we developed cunningness and selfishness. These are the most dangerous weapons in human mind. Cunningness and selfishness. And these two things we cannot find in other living beings. They do not know what is cunningness. Small children, still mind not yet developed up to that extent to bring external things into the mind. Telephone is ringing. Then child goes, say hello. Can I speak to so and so? Mention the name. Then the child say, Daddy, telephone call. Then the daddy say, tell I am not at home. Then this child say, Daddy says he is not at home. Because they are innocent, they have no cunningness, they do not know how to tell lies. Again, amongst all those living beings, they too have their own languages. Human beings are the only living beings in this world who tell lies. See how clever we are. Others do not know how to tell lies. That is the development of the mind. To twist and turn is the development of the mind. But others had no chance to develop that mind to behave like that. They follow the nature. We have violated the nature by using that intelligence. Then misuse this mind by adapting our inborn qualities, characters, behavior. All of us have 6 kind of characteristics. Raga charita, dosa charita, moha charita, buddhi charita, vitakka charita, saddha charita. 6. 6 kind of characteristic all of us have. No one is free from them. But noticeable, only 1 or 2. All the others were submerged, not active, but remains in the mind. Raga charita. Mind is dominating this attitude for sexual activities. Sexual urge is so advanced in their mind, they can forget everything. They can go against anybody. What they need is to gain some sort of sexual satisfaction. There are many. That is there. Correct. The other things are not so important today. Dosa charita, anger, hatred, very hot-tempered. One word is enough for them to flare up their anger and to create very bad atmosphere by nature. It is not that purposely they create this. They are inborn qualities because of their habits. But some people, although they have ingredients in the mind, they can keep under control. That is why some are very hot-tempered, some have a lot of patience. Raga charita, doha charita. Moha charita, very narrow-mindedness. Understanding capacity is very low by nature. We try to teach them, advise them, guide them, but they cannot catch, they cannot grasp by nature. They cannot change that. Buddhi charita, intelligence. From childhood, we can see many children are very intelligent. They can understand things very easily, but many others cannot. That is their own quality. By threatening, beating, forcing, they cannot change that. If they are weak, if they are advanced, not necessary to force. Very easily they can grasp, use their sense of reasoning very easily. Raga charita, doha charita, moha charita, buddhi charita. Vitakka charita, confused mind. Many people cannot decide whether to do or not. Confusion in the mind. Cannot come to any conclusion to decide to do or not. Their nature is such. Since they cannot decide, they go and discuss with others to do or not to do. You know, there is a saying, when the husband cannot decide to do or not to do, go and ask the wife whether to do or not. If wife says, yes, can do, then don't do, then you will trust me. If wife says, yes, you can do, then don't do that. That is the way how they have treated women in those days. Napoleon Bonaparte, a great man, what he has said. He said, if you want to teach anything to women, please don't teach them anything to think, because they do not know how to think. Teach them something to believe, then they will accept, just to believe. The bad reputation they have created for thousands of years about the women. But the Buddha has mentioned in his teaching, Naso sabbesu thanesu puriso hoti pandito. Purisa means man. Ithipi pandita honti. Ithi means a stree, woman. We must understand, man is not the only wise person. Woman also wise, the Buddha said. He was the first person, religious teacher, who wanted to break this traditional belief that women are lower